You don't know. Fresh kid, you are the future. Future, yesemba yo. Walimu, that's life what? Ne fresh, that's life what omomani. Wamulirako. Muzee yaliwa. Fresh daddy sokoje. At least the fresh daddy yaliwo mu myaka gy'ensanvu nga tutandika ekibiina kino. Fresh daddy mu myaka gy'ensanvu waliwo nga tutandika Ebonies. Neba na emizannyo gino otandika giraba.
Yatandika ogiwulira nga
mu 87 yatandika ogiwulira. Walina TV oba walina ya neighbor?
Nawuliranga kuba neighbor nga babyogera ne rumors mu Uganda nga sinabitegeera fit.
Kubanga tewalina TV.
Sayina TV mu kaseera.
Awo oli Luweero.
Awo nali Luweero nga ndi mu kyalo.
Bambi.
I thank everyone who has come here today. My name is Fresh Kid. Most people know me as my name is Patrick Senyon. Most people know me as Fresh Kid. 47 years, a lot of years. So I really congratulate. I don't know what's happening to me. I really congratulate the Ebonies as a whole for reaching such a lot of years. 47 years, like growing through different people, different managers, even actors, and they've been successful all the time. Me, I'm not that old, so I haven't seen them like those times, but I can't say I know them.
These guys have seen 6 presidents.
Yeah, that's crazy. Okay, yeah, I just want to add on you guys to come on. Yeah, 10 days time, it's gonna be going down. Yeah, right here. So this actual place is gonna be going down on the 20th.
You can't imagine 6.
Me only know 1.
Thank you so much, Fresh. I'll leave you at it. He says that's crazy. That's super crazy. But we here in case wakati joining to the press conference here, the Ebonies, they are celebrating 47 years. Namulondo, emyaka na musango inako emeka. Ono Jenisi. But what's your real story joining Ebonies? Briefly.
I joined Ebonies when I was in St. Peter's, I know my journey with my parents.
Okay. Briefly, alivanga kusomero najanga muzanyo. Fauzi ya majanga ya nya bana masomero. Ani mulala go ngambe go waletanga. All right. So what's the story?
My name is Hildy Lachman. They call me the diva. You want to see talent? You want to see music? Come and see us sing. Which song do you know about the Ebonies? Woman to be the mother. Chino. Oh my God, Fresh Kid, Chino.
Woman Fresh Kid. Fresh on, I can see what I can.
So my sole purpose is I call upon all fans, everyone that loves Ebonies, everyone that loves my sister, everyone that loves everyone here. Cannot to your talent. Come on the 20th. I'll sing on 20th.
Nenga kakayimbo kamanyi. Tomani nani basa jeunesse. Kale kawu.
Number 1 stage queen, number 1 energy queen, number 1 hustle queen. Of course, when you see me here, it is dance that is talking. And guess what? 20th December, dance is going to be talking future. You understand me? Just stand up.